Well, we are back.
A little break.
Back with vengeance.
We haven't had a break travelling, we just had a break videoing.
Yeah. So the last you saw us, I believe it was Windabandy.
Yeah, that was excellent.
And had a great time. So we do apologise. We do try and put up weekly videos. However, travelling on the road doesn't always, things don't always go to plan.
Not video worthy.
Yeah, not video worthy. And that's being honest. We're not creating content specifically. We are documenting our journey, just what we do. But yeah, the last month we had to or wanted to, I'm not sure which one, take a bit of time off filming and just focus on us and also the two boys. As you know, we've got two boys that
have a few challenges at times.
So yeah, we just needed time to just regroup as a family. So, but anyway, we are back and we're going to jump forward. So we've gone from Windabandy. We did film all the way through, but I don't think I'll go back and re-edit stuff. I'm not sure, but we've actually, roughly, we've been to Kalbarri, Shark Bay. We've done Perth. Absolutely had a ball. Loved where we've been. And a big favourite. Does Michelle know my favourite? Let's see how well Michelle knows me.
Margaret River. We were camped in a vineyard. Say no more.
My gosh, Margaret River. Nothing like
actually, it's beautiful. Not necessarily the vineyard, but the actual area. Vineyard. Depends.
Yep.
Vitamin.
Yep.
Depends on where you are. Beautiful countryside. Green. Absolutely amazing.
Yeah.
Although normally it's not this green, they say.
No, so there has been a fair bit of rain and...
We haven't had any.
Just before we arrived, the sun came out and everything just went pop.
It's beautiful, yeah.
So, but what I just thought Margaret River was only the wineries and the cellar doors. So much on offer.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Beaches, cafes, walks, farm stays.
Runs.
Michelle went for a run, multiple runs every day, or a run multiple days. So anyway, we've had a ball.
No, it's been good. And now we're at this Pemberton...
We're at I actually got it here, Southern Forest Chocolate Factory or Co.
I don't know if it's a factory.
Okay, a little shop.
Yeah. And
it's a little farm stay. It's on Wikicamps. Amazing place. We're going to show footage later on.
So good. And the people here are just so friendly, like the people who own the shop. And so, what's the word?
Engaging. Yeah. Full of energy.
When you really like something. Passionate about the area.
The area.
Yeah.
Because we were actually tired yesterday and we were driving through. We're heading to Albany.
Yep.
And I said to Michelle, look, I'm just feeling really tired. Let's just stop here. We weren't planning on staying. The lady, we'll have to find out the lady's name.
At $15 a night.
Yeah, really cheap.
Yeah.
And look at this, huge, big area. But... what was going to say,
the lady.
When we went to the chocolate factory or the chocolate shop, she's saying Pembleton is not a one-night stand. So I think we're going to be here maybe about 3 or 4 nights. There is so much on offer.
Off to a tram thing today?
Heading to the tram, going to do some walks. So join us as we get back on the horse with our videoing and, we explore this hidden surprise, a place that we weren't stopping at, and we're going to be here for multiple days. So
see you soon.
Come along. Well, we're starting our few days here at Pembleton, and we're a little bit out of Pembleton at a small town called Northcliffe, and we are doing the, what's it called?
Understory.
So it's about a 45-minute to 1 hour walk. It's actually $45 for a family, I think. So there is a cost involved, but apparently they've got a lot of statues and art sculptures. Oh well, as we talk, so don't know if you can see it, in this tree that's burnt out, you can actually see the sculpture of a naked woman.
So we're wondering what all these faces are like. They're amazing. They're in the trees and everything. You'll look for them. And what it is in 2015, there was like a bushfire that burnt for 3 weeks. And these are all people that were actually affected by the bushfire. Some are firemen, some are just local residents, and they've done these sculptures and put them in the trees just to remember the sacrifices and the community spirit that they all had. It's amazing.
Can you read any titles? What is it?
Got a ticket to the Pemmy train. The Pemberton Tramway. Pemberton Tramway.
Pemberton sawmill was in service until 1970. They are powered by 3-cylinder, 55 horsepower Italian drive. That's now still amazed at the engineering feat of the time.
So what'd you think of the tram?
Well, it was very informative, the guy. The tram was good
So
too.
who was the guy?
The guy actually, the tram place, tram track,
Yep.
we call it tram track, was all broken, closed down, not in operation anymore. He came to
Pembleton.
Pembleton for his family, and as an engineer, and decided, hey, I'm going to get it up and going again.
So he's a general manager, he actually owns it.
Yeah, him and his partner
Yep.
do it.
And I think his dad somehow, he proudly talks about his dad being involved or helping out. So great experience. And we are doing the walk.
Different to everybody else.
Yeah, the whole tram, let me turn around. So the tram pulled up there. Hey, where's Babe gone? The tram pulled up behind us. Everyone went the other way.
We're rebellious.
And we're the only ones coming this way. But we're trying to find the
Here it is, suspension bridge.
suspension. So we discovered it's not a suspension bridge, but it still is.
It's suspended over the water.
Oh, yeah, that was a good one. It still is a pretty good little bridge, and certainly a lot quieter than going the other way with all the other everyone else. You can see all the other tourists up there. We're not tourists.
Locals.
Yeah, we're locals here. We know what we're doing.
Pemmy.
Yeah, we're local Pemmy people. So, babe, first impression of Pembleton.
Yeah, surprising. Lots of surprises.
Yep. And it's only day one.
Yeah.
So we are still on the walk. Once you get to the, or get off the tram line, or off the tram, you get to go the walk around the cascade. So we've just gone for a bit of a wander, and we're also just walking under the,
Looks like the train went over.
yeah, the bridges. So pretty amazing setup. Actually, look at that bridge up there.
I would be right here when the train goes over. And force you.
Well, we are on the Pemberton Tram,
Yes, in Pemberton.
In Pemberton.
Southwest WA.
and we've got the general manager or owner with us. And yeah, what a great operation. Look, we've had a great time. So if you're out this way, make sure you do it.
That's it.
So,
Come out.
cheers.
This is the bush.
Absolutely. So if you're travelling through Pembleton, make sure you stop off and do the Pemberton Tramway. Great experience, especially when you understand the story and they talk about the story, and it's privately owned. So the general manager who we met before, he's, like you said, he's constantly out there maintaining the tracks, repairing logs. All the buildings here have all been refurbished, plus the actual trams themselves. So there's a lot of work that's gone on behind the scenes to bring this back to life. So yeah. So we, as you know, we're staying at the Chocolate Company. They've got a little it's a farm stay as well on Hip Camp, $15 a night, great location. And so yeah, on our way out to do this trail, Michelle's like, let's duck in there, support them, we'll get a nice coffee, which is great, brilliant idea, I'm all for that. We're driving along, Michelle's chatting away, chat. Meanwhile, I notice that she's eating, you know, got a big something in her mouth.
Big. It was this little, and it was a sample that a lady gave me, and she said, don't share it, you eat it, you deserve it.
Yeah, so she's got in the car having a coffee, eating a nice chunk of chocolate, and not sharing it.
I went for a 10k run today, I deserve it.
Now, hang on, turn the camera around. We have heard, we were at an information centre, and we have heard this trail has had quite a few car accidents on it. So yeah, just be careful, be aware. It is a gravel road, and yeah, nice and smooth. Apparently locals have been, it's a conversation topic with the council at the moment. So if you're doing this trail, yeah, make sure you just take it nice and easy. But yeah, we'll let you know how it goes.
We want to head to the Bicentennial Tree. This is a walking path, but this guy likes to drive and not walk. So
oh, rubbish.
So I guess we're here, so I guess we're driving.
No, other way.
Gonna drive, I don't know where we're driving, yep. All the way around.
Yep, we're gonna do the trail.
Oh, and then how do we go back to there? There we go.
Yep.
That's what we're doing.
See if it's wet. Could become slippery. Oh wow.
The steps leading into the
Oh, you could actually go for a swim here.
No.
Yeah?
It says no diving or swimming.
Yeah, but you can probably swim in there. Well, there wouldn't be. Log, look how big it is. Ooh. Ah. Wow. Can you move it? Oh, this would be a great place to come on a hot day.
And it says the river can be very cold.
Yeah, I'd say the water's cold, but they've got another big pontoony sort of thing here with steps going down to the water. Oh, how beautiful. And to think, we were driving through Pembleton.
Well, there's nothing here.
Weren't even going to stop, just straight through.
But the chocolate lady.
Yeah, thanks to the chocolate lady. Pembleton is not a one-night stand. So we have thoroughly enjoyed it. So I think tonight would be night 3 of being here. So yeah, really enjoying it. Oh, wow. Oh wow.
Oh, the water. I think that might be even a million.
So we're at the Bicentennial Tree.
And this is my...
And we're going to climb.
this is my goodbye.
So you're going to climb, babe? Yep. Okay, we're all going up. Wow. There's very little safety here. Got a bit of wire on my right, but no safety ropes, no nothing. So if you fall, I'm assuming you might just get caught up in some of the wire or something going down. But there's Michelle way up there. What's weird, yeah, the spikes just go straight into the timber. I mean, I think it's good in today's society we still do things that we can enjoy. I get that can't be good for the tree, but it's also good to be able to experience things and learn about the tree. And so do I think it's a good thing? Well, I do, because I think having these sort of activities also gets you out in the environment to appreciate this. Have a look. There's people way down there. Well, congratulations everyone.
Adrenaline.
And we're exactly...
What do you think?
It's a bit of an adrenaline. Like, yeah, I did get to about 3/4 of the way up and was going to bail. Though these two were already up here. So I had to come up, make sure they're safe.
Oh, this is great.
And they used to let it go right up.
Yep.
Far out.
So it still does go further up, but that's been blocked off. So this far as you can go now.
Which is plenty far enough.
That would have been amazing, climbing right up the top.
And...
My gosh.
Oh, well,
And here we are, way up the trees.
And we can even see how far. Oh.
Well, if you're at Pembleton, once again, make sure you stop. There is so much on offer. And definitely do the Bicentennial Tree. It is great. It's great getting you up amongst the level of all the trees. Here we go. Look at this. Beautiful.
I'm pretty scared.
Isn't it amazing? Look at this tree. How it
Oh, the
twirls
swirls.
around.
Yeah. Well, we've all successfully climbed the tree and come down. Poor Michelle, I don't know if you can see her, is still coming down slowly or gingerly. She's actually got a sore knee. So every step down is actually taking a bit of effort. So here she is.